Hi friends, today we covered the long and short stitch and thread painting, blending that thread together to get a nice gradient look to it. Used size 8 pearl cotton balls ranging from a dark gray all the way up to a light white color. You can use any colors you want. You can use any threads you want. Just make sure that you pick them in the same color family and that you go from dark to light to really give you that nice gradient look. Colors we used for this are 3799, 31, 3865, all size 8 pearl cotton. Starting here at the bottom of our mountain, we're going to be long and short stitching all the way up, transitioning from each color, from the dark gray to the medium gray to the medium white to the bright white, all the way up. So let's get started. And short stitch literally means do one long stitch, then a short one, then a long stitch, then a short one, all the way across your first row of stitches. Then after you do that, you're going to be doing each row afterwards the same length. So it gives you that blended look to your thread. Let's pretend this one here is a long stitch we've already done. We would do next to it a short stitch. Then next to that, we would do a longer stitch. Now make sure when you're doing these, you're starting and you're angling towards the tip of wherever you're going to be thread painting. So if you have your mountain here, you don't want all of your stitches here to be horizontal. You want it to have that flow, able to look like an actual mountain top. Controlling these stitches can help give that look to your thread painting. Do a long stitch, then do a short stitch. Now comes the fun part, blending. When you get up to this line to move on to the next color, what I like to do is short stitch on the edge of this line, and then I will do a longer stitch going over the line, going into the other area, making sure to keep pointing my stitches towards the top. Now it's time to move on to our second color, size 8, number 3. You'll be doing the same concept. Instead, you'll be going into the darker area with your stitches. So there, and doing a shorter stitch, a longer stitch, a shorter stitch, so on and so forth. Thank you guys so much for stitching with me today. If you haven't gotten your supplies yet and you're thinking about maybe giving this pattern a shot, head on over to DMC's website. You can download the pattern for free and you can buy some supplies with my code GULAXDMC at checkout, and that will get you 15% off. Yeah, have some fun with this. Like I said, don't be too particular about it or get too worked up if it doesn't look right or perfect. This is one of those stitches that takes a lot of practice, and each time you do it, it's going to turn out differently. So definitely have a lot of fun with it, and I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow.